Hello, welcome to White Davy Gardening and Worm Farm. If you like my channel, please press the subscribe button. So today I am going to be harvesting the potatoes that are in these containers. They're finally starting to dry down, so I don't know what to expect from these ones. These are the last set of potatoes that I planted.
Mom, do you know I used to finish sour milk?
What?
I just keep drinking until I finish it.
You just keep drinking until they finish? Okay.
Yeah, like, yep, I'm not gonna stop this. And I keep drinking until I finish it. Why?
Okay, let's see what's in these containers.
Tomato.
I still have seed potatoes trying to grow.
Sweet potato.
Not sweet, seed.
Seed? Seed tomato.
And these are my rosette. Oh yeah.
Can I see?
See them in the red container here.
I see. Why are you clean out those into the container? Now let's talk about what tomato.
More seed potato trying to grow.
Oh, I see. Huh? I see potato. Nice potatoes. Nice potatoes.
Yeah, I'm impressed.
How many potatoes do you have?
I don't know, son.
Huh?
I don't know.
How many carrots do you have?
I don't know that either. Ooh, I bruised this one.
Is there any more potato?
I think so.
Can I see? Can I see?
So this is what came from the first bin. Now let's see what's in here. Can you step aside, please?
Let's see how many potatoes you have. Let's see how many potatoes you have.
Boy,
Yes?
do not be playing with that thing, please.
They're not. Let's see how many potatoes there are. I saw a potato bowl in the garden.
Yes, you did.
Huh?
Yes, you did.
I saw potato in the main tree and how many tomatoes do you Why? How many tomatoes do you have? How many tomatoes do you have, Mom?
I got lots of tomatoes, boy.
Wow. I'm impressed. That's a photo of me's. Mommies.
My worms are doing okay.
That's good.
Yes, it's very good. Oh, I bruised this.
Oh, I see another tomato.
Not tomato, potato.
Potato?
Yeah, potato.
There's lots of potatoes.
So this is what came out of the other crate. It's a nice harvest of potatoes, isn't it? These are my sweet potatoes that I harvested, well, purple Japanese yam or purple sweet potatoes that I harvested a few days ago. Still haven't taken them up yet. So my plan is that these red containers, all 4 of them or maybe 3 of them, I think maybe 4, all 4 of them are going to be planting my sweet potatoes and my purple Japanese yam in for next growing season. It's because I'm going to be planting less than I did last year. Now I'm going to harvest the potatoes from over here. No, there's no potatoes in your garden. The potatoes are in the containers beside your garden. In this container right here.
No, I can't.
That was the only plant in there. I got one. That's a surprise. I really wasn't expecting any from this.
Potatoes.
Now let's see what I get from this one over here. Ooh, these are the red Norland. They're dark red, wow. Looks like I'm gonna get a nice little harvest from this. Ooh. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get a nice harvest from this bin. Uh-oh, I got my hands in some mushy potato from my seed potato.
Purple, 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 purple. Let's see how many tomatoes you have in that.
Boy,
Yeah.
step away from my stand. You're trying to break it? Again?
Yeah. Put another tomato in that's in for you.
Quite a lot of baby potatoes. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy these.
Can I see the baby tomatoes?
Potatoes, yes, see them here? All you have to do is look in that container there, you'll see them.
Baby tomatoes.
Potatoes, not tomatoes, potatoes.
Baby,
Potatoes.
baby potatoes.
Yes, that's it. Oh, this one did well. This one did very well. Ooh,
Yummy potatoes.
I like what I'm seeing here.
Yeah. They're nice.
They're looking lovely, aren't they?
Yeah.
Look at this.
That was huge. That one is a huge one. And there's a tiny. But those are. But that one is a. That one is a baby one. I can say. Mom,
Yes, son.
this tomato looks like a bottle.
Yes, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Looks like a bottle indeed. You could put face on this. Put 2 eyes and a mouth. Put some sticks in there for hands and some sticks down there for legs. Okay.
How you gonna get to here?
The same way I got over here in the first place. Okay, so from this crate, this is my harvest of red Norland potatoes. So not bad, is it? And this is my final harvest of potatoes. So I'm quite impressed with this year's harvest, although it could have been better. It is the best harvest of potatoes I've had since I've been attempting to grow potatoes, so I am well pleased.
Can I see?
Okay, so this is my harvest of red Norland and rosette potatoes. If you enjoy this video and you would like to see more videos like these, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up. You can leave a comment in the section below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification for more updates like these. Thank you so much for watching and have yourself a wonderful day. Yeah man, a time for grow.